Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Martha Stewart Little. I'm your host, Michael Cera. Let's get into it.
Shrimps are pretty rich.
A lot of people ask me nowadays, Michael Cera, how's it going since you did Social Network? You know that movie with Michael Cera? And I'm saying it's going good. I've recently been selling my book, Martha Stewart Little's Guide to Cooking. Hello! Today we are going to be cooking here steak. The first thing you gotta do when you're getting your steak, you gotta find it, you gotta hunt it down in the wild. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now today. Hey, it's your pal Michael Cera here again. So for my shoot at Zombieland, I actually had to learn how to work a gun. So we're out in the woods right now, and as you can see, there's a deer over there. You can take a look at that. No, up over there. Okay, back to me. So we're just gonna take this gun, and we're just gonna shoot that real quick. We're gonna shoot that there deer. Wait, how long are you supposed to keep steak, like, out of refrigeration for?
It's supposed to come up to room temperature, not hotter.
Duh.
Start cooking. Oh my god, it's so squishy, George. It's so squishy. Unfortunately, we didn't have butter today, so we'll be using a substitute, which is it's snowberry, so it might counteract a little bit of the zest. That's good. Just, you want just a dash of it, just about 2 shots worth. Just about 2 shots worth of. While we were hunting and gathering, I found some fresh fruit. I found a wild apple orchard where I found this. Just toss it and just, yeah. As you can see, we're already making a tasty treat. A lot of people ask, Michael Cera, where did you get your cooking degree from? And I say, cooking degree. That's what I say. So we're gonna open up our deer meat, our steak real quick. As Martha Stewart Little once said, "What? That's not me. I'm a member of the Bee Gees." When we were filming Batman vs. Superman, Dawn of Justice, it came up a lot that we needed to reuse different, things. So we're gonna just go searching through the garbage bag. And what's this? What? That looks, it could use a few more shots of yup, that's fine. I just deleted a really big F, so either this video's not going to turn out well, something else. It. Oh, no. Okay, yeah, we're just going to go ahead. I think we've had enough there. This is really good for any occasion, honestly, and I can't wait to sink my teeth into it. This has been Michael Cera hosting Martha Stewart Little's cooking show extravaganza. I'd like to thank everyone and have a Merry Christmas. George, should I? George, I'm gonna need an audible response. Would you like a snack?
What?
Would you like a snack?
Depends on what it is.
Go ahead, try it.
Oh, okay.
Try it.
Last time you made steak.
You want to eat it?
Is it gluten-free?
Here comes the airplane.
Is it gluten-free?
Is it gluten-free?
Is it gluten-free?
Is it gluten-free?
Is there gluten?
Are you allergic to mushrooms?
No.
Cool. Are you allergic to? You're not
peace
allergic
tea?
to tea, right?
No.
Are you allergic to
Wait.
imitation crab?
What?
Here comes the airplane.
I'm so proud of myself.
Let's
You
go.
taste it?
Yeah, George loved it.
Am I gonna throw up?